Waterproof phones, technological solutions to withstand water challenges. Water is life. A famous saying shows the role of water in sustaining life. But in the world of technology, water is death, as all electronic devices have the most prominent enemy, water, which causes damage. This is why most international phone companies are working on manufacturing water-resistant phones to protect their internal parts in the event that they fall into liquids or water. Most users want to own waterproof phones, especially those who love underwater photography. They need devices like this, but can they trust this technology to protect their devices from damage? Waterproof phones, also known as waterproof phones, operate primarily using special cases made of leak-proof materials, which protect their sensitive internal components. It must be taken into account that these cases do not affect the phone's performance, as they are manufactured according to special standards that we will mention in detail. Material. Cases are usually made of materials such as thermoplastic polyurethane or a mixture of plastic and rubber that are impermeable to water and are characterized by their durability and ability to form leak-proof seals. This material is chosen for its durability and ability to form a watertight seal. Sealing mechanism. The most important aspect of a case is its ability to completely seal the phone through secure locking mechanisms, such as push and lock clasps or screw caps, which prevent water from entering the case. The sealing areas are usually reinforced with O-rings or gaskets made of rubber or silicone to ensure a tight seal. IP rating. Waterproof phone cases are rated using an ingress protection rating system. This rating indicates the level of protection against dust and water. For example, an IP67 rated case is dust-tight and can withstand submersion in water up to a depth of 1 meter for 30 minutes. Higher ratings, such as IP68, provide greater protection against water. Touchscreen compatibility. Advanced waterproof cases allow interaction with the phone screen through the case. This is done by using flexible, transparent materials over the screen area that transmit touch without obstructing functionality. Sound transmission. The design of these cases not only prevents water from entering, but must also allow sound to pass through. Speakers and microphones need air coming in and out of the phone because creating vibrations in the air is how they produce sound. On the other hand, if the phone is sealed, the pressure inside the phone may not be equal to the outside, which creates an opportunity for this pressure to penetrate the phone's seals and let water in. To solve this problem, companies make an ultra-soft mesh in front of the speaker and microphone. This will not allow water to penetrate these holes and will remain in the abscess. This is due to the ultra-small holes and the surface tension of water. Pressure equalization. Some high-quality waterproof cases include pressure equalization features, which allows the case to be used at greater depth without damaging the phone or compromising the integrity of the case. Camera view. For cases that cover the phone's camera, transparent, high-quality materials are used to ensure that the camera's view is not affected, which allows clear photos and videos to be taken even underwater. The terms waterproof and waterproof may sound similar and represent almost the same purpose, but the truth is that they mean two different things. A waterproof phone will remain functional even after being immersed in water for a specific period of time and depth, which is indicated by its water resistance through its IP rating. This makes it more suitable for activities such as swimming or underwater photography. While the phone is water resistant, it is designed to withstand splashes of water, such as rain or accidental spills. It can also withstand exposure to water for a short period of time. For its part, the term waterproof indicates that it is impossible for water to enter the phone under any circumstances. That's why some companies use it as a marketing term, but in reality, there is no waterproof device. Even if your device can withstand a few minutes in the rain or being dropped into a shallow pool, you can't use it while diving in deeper areas. Because at some point, all measures based on repelling water will fail. This is because as the depth increases, the pressure will increase, and thus water will enter the device due to the great pressure applied to the phone. We conclude from the above that water resistance is the more accurate term, because it indicates that the phone has leakage protection technologies, but water can enter it under certain circumstances, although it is a small but important difference. A good way to know how much water your phone can withstand is the Ingress Protection (IP) rating, which just indicates the degree of protection the device can provide. However, this does not mean that the device will never be damaged. There are different IP ratings that provide more or less protection. For example, a device with an IP rating of 68 is considered more protected than a device with an IP rating of 55. The first number indicates protection against dust and ranges between 0 and 6, with 6 being the maximum, while when the rating is 0, it is indicated by the letter X. The second number indicates water resistance, which ranges between 0 and 9, but in mobile phones the maximum number it reaches is 8, such as the iPhone 15, which has an IP rating of 68. According to Apple, the IP rating of 68 in its devices is dust resistant and can withstand water to a depth of 2 to 6 meters for a period of 30 minutes, according to the type of phone. While the IP67 rating provides a similar level of protection against dust, but it resists water to a depth of only 1 meter, and for 30 minutes. For its part, the IP55 rating indicates that the phone has minimal protection against dust and is intended only to protect the phone from sweating. However, the IP5X rating indicates that it is not protected from dust and provides simple protection from water.